Hello everyone, this is Ashi Sharma and today I want to tell you about mechanical engineering from my experience in these 2 years of BTech. Well, most of the people think that mechanical is all sort of manufacturing, casting, welding and all those stuffs. And even I thought that mechanical is all sort of making cool stuffs when I got into mechanical, like cars, rockets and all those stuffs. But mechanical is more than that. Honestly, after 2 years of BTech, I got to know that this simple pen is also made by engineering. And not only that, but all the products which are near us or which we are using in our daily lives all goes through certain chain which is necessary for making those products a reality. Well, just take an example of this bottle. Okay, it's a simple bottle. We all have these kind of bottles in our home. So basically, we are having a problem. Okay, we are having a problem that we are having many leaks in our bottles. So we want to make a leak-proof bottle. We have to have an idea, right? So if we are having an idea that okay, maybe we can use a rubber in the bottle cap so that the water does not leak. Basically, this is an idea, okay? And for manufacturing, we need a blueprint. So from where these kind of blueprints come from? We need to design it on CAD softwares, and that's what we call CAD designing. CAD designing is a very essential part of manufacturing or mechanical engineering. So basically in CAD designing we make 3D models from our idea, and it's not about just making 3D models like a picture. We are basically dimensioning it. We are having all those dimensions like the length, the diameter, all those stuffs. We are having all those calculations, and then we are making a whole sort of design. And these designs are basically made from some CAD tools like CATIA V5, SolidWorks, Creo, and many other tools which are available in market. But what if we are making lots of product from a particular design and all those products become a failure? Well, it would waste our time and money. So for eliminate all those kind of errors, we need analysis on the particular design we are making. All those analysis are a certain other part of mechanical engineering, which is basically analysis, or you can say it's simulation. So simulation or analysis is done on other softwares like ANSYS, or even in SolidWorks there is a particular software for analysis. So in these analysis we work on stresses, we work on the capacity of the bottle, we work on the pressure it would be applying on the walls of the bottle. So all those stuffs we are analyzing on the basis of the CAD simulation software. Once the design and the analysis is done, then the particular design with the analysis part goes to the manufacturer. The manufacturer is not having a superpower to make the design into reality. It needs to know what material we are using, what sort of material is for a particular process. Like if we are making something with casting may be very time consuming for a purpose for making this bottle, or we are using a CNC machine. CNC machine would maybe have a defect while making this bottle. So basically there are many processes in manufacturing, and the manufacturer needs to know what sort of manufacturing process we are going to use which to make the particular product. Okay, so this is another part. So we have covered three major parts of the mechanical engineering: first design, then the simulation and simulation or the analysis, and then the manufacturing. So basically these are the main things, main processes through which a product goes. But after manufacturing, the engineering is not completed. Engineering completes when the logistics and the supply chain management is done. Well, what is logistics and supply chain? Well, okay, in manufacturing we need raw materials, right? So from the suppliers we need raw materials to the manufacturer. The whole sort of process in delivering or the transportation and choosing the materials, all those stuffs comes in supply chain. Even from the manufacturer to the distributor, from the distributor to the retailers, and from the retailers to us, the consumers or the customers. All those stuffs, all those process of transportation, transaction, all those stuffs comes into logistics and supply chain management. And this is also a part of engineering, not only manufacturing. So, and in manufacturing processes and in logistics and supply chain management, we are having automation. Nowadays, we are having automation in these two fields. We are not having AI or automation right now in designing and analysis part, because it is whole done manually with human engineer brain. But these manufacturing processes, we are opting tools like IoT, mechatronics, automation stuffs like robots, and all the stuffs are being used in these two processes, like supply chain management and manufacturing. So if someone is saying you that okay, CSC is not a part of mechanical, it's not like that. Of course, for making the things happens, like even coding a computer, we need to know the Python and other languages of CSC. So CSC is also a part of mechanical engineering nowadays. So basically, we have covered these 4 pillars of mechanical engineering in manufacturing term. Like the first one is designing, then the second one is analysis, the third one is manufacturing, the production technology, and the fourth one is logistics and supply chain management. So basically, mechanical engineering or mechanical automation engineering, which I am doing, is a very vast field which you all can explore, like I explored. And not only these 4 pillars. These 4 pillars are basically used in manufacturing industries, but mechanical is also power plants. Then we are having, like, if you are having a motor or a pump in your house and you need to fill up your tank, it needs fluid mechanics, so that's also part of mechanical engineering. We are having dams, we are having constructions. So basically all these stuffs comes in mechanical engineering. So if someone is saying that okay, mechanical is having no scope, no, mechanical is having a lot of scope, from designing, analysis, manufacturing, supply chain management, and even these power plants, these constructions, all those stuffs comes in mechanical engineering. So hope you like the video and hope it would be informative for you. If you want to know more about mechanical, you can reach out to me. Thank you.